Yo guys, what up? Arcanine Studio here, and yeah, I'm here with the third part of me opening that X and Y booster box in the background over there. And yeah, Pikachu just wanted to say hello because he knows that the background is blurry, and yeah, he just wanted to stand there so you had something pretty to look at while I would finish talking. So yeah, and I've promised that my boyfriend can open a pack when he gets home from work, and so I'll just pick something random out for him. So yeah, he'll get this Yveltal pack, and I hope there's something good in it. So where I put it? I put it here. Yeah, and yes, third part. Let's rock and roll. We'll just open 8 packs in this and then 9 packs in the last one. And Pikachu, you go back there. So, yeah. I guess we're as ready as we can be for this. So, is the left side better than the right side? I guess we'll find out. I'm counting on some more EXs, hopefully that Mega Evolution or Full Art, but we'll see. Honedge, Spoink, Pawniard, Jigglypuff, Fennekin, Braixen, Delcatty, red card. The reverse is another Delcatty. Yay! Yeah. And the rare is a Cloyster. So yeah. Blastoise. Whoops. Jigglypuff. Shelter, Phantom. Ooh, Metal Energy. Cool, I need that. Inkay, Krokorok, Roller Skates, Electrode, a Pansear, and a Xerneas. Oh, that's so cool. I didn't even realize we've gotten there yet. Sorry. So, Pansear, that was our reverse. I was just thinking that, oh my god, it's getting so dark, I think. Well, I just finished this video and I'll turn on some lights. So yeah, Pansear is the reverse, little monkey, and then a Xerneas with very cool artwork. Very cool indeed. Venusaur pack. Skiddo, Pansear, Honedge, Spoink, Pawniard, Sableye. Cool, I don't think I've gotten this yet, but I like it. It's kind of creepy and I wouldn't say adorable, but it's so lonely and yeah, I don't know. Dodrio, Whirlipede, Timber is the reverse, and the rare is a Greninja Holo. Oh, that is cool. Yeah, I like that a lot. In the beginning I didn't really know what to think about that new holo. I mean, what do you guys think? Do you like it? Because the first few times I saw it, I was like, that's it? That's what you're gonna do? Really? But that was on videos, and so now that I've seen it in real life, I think I like it. I don't quite know yet, but I think I do. So yeah, Taylor, Spritzy, Ladybug, Lillipup, Froakie, Team Flare Grunt, a Doublade, Dunsparce, and the reverse is a Frogadier, and the rare is a Rhydon. Come on, you EX. 4 packs left. have an energy here. So, yeah, Darkness Energy. I'm just going to put that aside. Weedle, Zorua, Venipede, Skitty, Evo Soda, Braixen, Team Flare Grunt. The reverse is a Hard Charm, cool. And the rare, oh, the rare is an Emolga EX. Cool. That's gonna be exciting. So, without telling you guys too many spoilers, I think it's safe to say that I have now got 3 EXs. Just 3 normal EXs. So, this is exciting. Right. What's going on? Okay. So yeah, you can have this. Yep. There you go. I think that's about it. Hold on just a second and I'll just do a check again. Yeah, I think so. Bumblebee, Pumpkaboo, Bidoof, Skiddo, Pansear, Professor's Letter, Lunatone, Max Revive. The reverse is a Rhyhorn, cool. And the rare is a Swallow. So, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 2 packs left in this part. So, yeah, I think we're good on time as well. Yeah. So, Venusaur pack. Can we put it down here? Yeah, that's kind of working out. Ladybug, Lillipup, Froakie, Sandile, no. Whoop. Yeah, Diglett, Lydian, Great Ball, Girder. The reverse is an Ekans, and the rare is a Crocodile. So yeah, we've gotten that before, but I mean, yeah, you can't get a different one each time, I guess. The smell of new cards. Am I the only one who just wants to pick up these packs and just go ahead and sniff them? Yeah, I know, that sounded kind of freaky, but I bet I'm not the only one. Just the smell of new packs is just something childish. Reminds me of my childhood, I must say. So, yeah. Nostalgia, I guess. We start with a Ponyard, Fletchling, Fennekin, Voltorb, Chespin, Frogadier, a Mr. Mime, Girder. Professor Sycamore is the reverse, and the rare is a Tauros. Oh, we haven't gotten this yet, so another one for the collection. And ladies and gentlemen, that was the last pack of this part. So yeah, I guess me and Pikachu will just see you in part 4, which will be the last part. It's so sad. But yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this. I know I have. So let's see what awaits in this final part. We'll see you, yeah. Well, we'll see you there, and bye bye.